question ito. From Jose Maria Christian Mary, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your daily bus that you weren't able to do normally?
Wait. Aside sa mag-sort kami ng games, kasi sobrang sakit ng basta, matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Okay, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami nasa venue na kami. Yeah, so, guys, okay na yun. Madaling ko, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. Kahit umalog yung bus, wala kami nararamdaman.
Grabe. And actually, I was telling the production, Direk Loren, and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mas big stars lang katulad ng Bini.
Yes, diba? Our superstars right here.
Star pa lang nag-star.
No, never. Especially to us groups, definitely we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tulog slide.